Hey, I want me a saw. What is here?
The mission is to scour the globe to find the best of Jamaicans on YouTube for the first ever largest video collaboration to celebrate the island's 50th anniversary of independence. Once your targets are successfully located, you will stir them to the call of Jamaica. You will awaken their love of Jamaica. You will light the fire of Jamaican pride in their hearts and in the hearts of all Jamaicans across the world. The world. The world.
Who this damn man doing now? You is who?
Yaad boys. Yo, some serious team here looking here. Serious team here. Kiss me, girl, they back foot.
I got you some makeup and I just dying up. I want to do a video for YouTube for all videos. But I have to touch the road first, so yeah man. Everything, Chris, you ready? Alright.
So this is the final look, the hair and the makeup. Hey, on the top of nice, not try to film one video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.
Son Hattie? Oh gracious!
Never put on a lip gloss this morning.
She's stushy? Oh, she's so stush.
When I can be, I'm going to be a celebrity in Jamaica and
Jamrock. So Jamaican people on a Sunday evening, I'm hungry. Watch all this star. Right turn over that shell down, about 3 of them can't. Hot girl, sweet like a honey. X to the 5 minute drive in the sun. Hello?
Yeah, can I get fried chicken with rice and peanut cornbread gravy? Yeah, man! Oh, and don't forget pork.
I'm 100% Jamaican flavor.
There is a place, let's call it Jamaica, the loudest of lands. Every man there is a musician. Reggae carried to the world on the waves of the Caribbean Sea. 6 hours drive from end to end. The place a little bit to see, but is a land worth saving for. Banning your belly and planning for. Tourists that eat sardine a foreign with brochure clutching at them hand, so them can come dip them toes in the Caribbean Sea. Kissing the coast of this place. Let's call it Jamrock. Aki and Saltfish rule the day, pan chicken and mongrel dog the night. Church and rum bar stand up side by side. where people still say morning when them enter a room, where the best place on a Sunday afternoon is still your granny stoop, where dip and fall back is a dish and a dance. We look all kind of way, and it's not by chance. Chinese, Indian, white and black, all kind of Creole, and we now look back. In this land, let's call it Yaad, where plum and Julie mango, car wiper and flag come right to the window of your jalopy or jag, where the accent sweet till it gone on TV. All Brad Pitt them a hire for try to talk like we. But when we say something bad, we mean it good. When we say it wicked, we mean it sweet. Well, no matter how far you travel, one away you must have to meet. We're large, extra size, we think slap way and it shot. And if you are not yardy and you're confused, are some good thing that. We travel very regular, and when we reach, we hustle even harder so them one a yard can eat. But when you look in our eyes, you can't see it. The part we were long to see the little beach. Blue Mountain Coffee and Blue Mountain Peak. Flat, hilly, dry, wet, any kind of climate you seek. But mostly, the climate is perfect. This place, let's call it Jamaica. Them who visit call it paradise. The one them will live there may say it not so nice. Sometimes things rough. Sometimes them meager and pop. Sometimes always save you and say when I left you where you drop. Smaddy I go pick you up and feed you out of them pot. All when water more than flour. At just Jamaica that. We build so strong. Catch bullet and walk miles. Like Bogle and Nanny when the hot sun a boil. Raise up we pick them bright and send them across the seas. Go run race and company and win up spelling bees. This place, let's call it Jamrock, Jamaica, Zymaka, Yaad, home. This place that goes with you no matter where you roam. This place is beating in your chest. This place is talking to you clear. This place is telling you to come home. This place is whispering, draw near. This place is demanding you to rise up. This place is saying your time. This place is saying do for yourself. This place is saying no cry. This place is saying live up. This place is telling you to be. This place is 50 years of our time. This place is still not free. This place is talking loudly to you and to me. This place is dusty and rusted, and yet it is glistening. This place is Jamaica, and we are listening. Happy 50th Independence.
Whether Yaad or abroad, whether Yaad or abroad,
I am 100%.
100%. 100%.
100%. I am 100%.
I am 100%.
100%.
Jamaican. I'm 100% Jamaican. Boom.
box cover. Wow. Wicked. I will say again.
50.
Oh yeah,
you're getting big and growing up so fast.
Mad white Jamaican that.
It seemed like just yesterday you get your independence, and now it's been 50 years. Happy birthday, Jamaica.